नमस्कार, बेसिल के प्रांगण में आप सभी का स्वागत है। गुड मॉर्निंग, वेलकम टू ब्रॉडकास्ट इंजीनियरिंग कंसल्टेंट्स इंडिया लिमिटेड। बेसिल यानी तुलसी, जिसके महत्व और गुणों से हम सभी परिचित हैं। तुलसी एक ऐसी औषधि है जो हर प्रकार के रोगों से बचाती है और इन्हीं महत्व और गुणों को ध्यान में रखते हुए तुलसी यानी बेसिल का जन्म हुआ।
बेसिल प्रसारण की दुनिया में अपनी एक अलग पहचान रखती है और सभी प्रकार के सॉल्यूशंस को आप तक पहुंचाती है।
इंदिನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ।
As we all know that Basil is one of the fastest growing turnkey solution provider government company and successfully approaches to complete its 20 years of journey. Basil is a Mini Ratna public sector enterprise of Government of India under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Basil has a glorious past and striding towards great future, exploring newer horizons. So let's have a look at the milestones achieved by Basil.
It was a thought that gave birth to Basil. In the mid-90s, television broadcast was going through revolutionary changes when the Gulf War took place. Most of the broadcast companies were gearing up to the challenge of war coverage. It was then that a specialized service was needed to advise the satellite broadcasters to meet the ever-changing scenario of broadcast media. Thus, on 24th March 1995, Basil was born with a purpose.
The story of establishment of Basil and its growth is itself fascinating. By 1989, when the Gulf War was there, more and more satellite channels started downloading their programs in India, with the result that the private broadcasters also felt the need in India to broadcast via satellite. And at that time, technology was in such a stage that in India the facility was and the expertise on satellite broadcasting was not available. As such, the Government of India thought that they should incorporate an agency which has got the satellite expertise on radio broadcasting.
Since then, Basil is providing consultancy services and international standards including turnkey jobs in the field of terrestrial and satellite broadcasting,
Hello and welcome to Rajya Sabha TV.
MMDS, CATV, networks, data broadcasting, complete studio solutions. Basil also undertakes the operation and maintenance of broadcast systems.
कि चले ये सिलसिला ऐसे कि बस चलता रहे यूं ही, दिया एक रोशनी का जहन में जलता रहे यूं ही।
As it has well-equipped team of in-house expertise along with a pool of experts drawn from various fields, to name a few are Doordarshan and All India Radio.
recruitment is very integral part of any organization, which means that right recruitment, right person at right place and right time. HR is dealing with all the departments integral as finance, project, and whosoever is there. As per requirement, we are looking after all the recruitment and other things.
BASIL also undertakes the placement on suitable terms of technicians. Engineers and experts to its clients in India and abroad. With its specialized services with focused approach, BASIL has won loyalty of clients while remaining a profit-making venture.
I'm glad to tell you that this particular communication group has added almost 300 crores of assets, businesses, has brought in that kind of a businesses in the last 5 to 6 years. And still we are working on some really big ticket projects, and our customers are primarily defense and paramilitary forces and many government organizations. BASIL would be doing through these projects a great service to the nation.
Our team, the communication group team, through our concerted effort, in last 5 to 6 years, we have been able to carve out a niche in the market area of signal intelligence and networked surveillance. And to our credit, we have implemented very significant and very important projects of Indian Defence Forces, the paramilitary forces, the state police and other law enforcing agencies.
Being first has become a habit of BASIL. To its credit are the establishment of first teleport in India, first all-digital private FM broadcasting station at Bangalore, first to set up multi-channel FM transmission stations in India, combining to up to 7 channels, first to design and establish HDTV studio setup for Presidential Secretariat and Lok Sabha TV, and first electronic media monitoring setup at EMMC, to name a few.
BASIL has done a couple of projects in the TV infrastructure for development of the TV channels and TV infrastructure. So BASIL has done a couple of projects which is unique in nature. We have done the Lok Sabha TV channel, which is first high definition television channel in India. Similarly for Rajya Sabha TV channel, which is also first in India, which adopted the 3G technology. Similarly, we are doing the projects for the universities also for educational purpose, small projects, and in futures we are very hopeful that all these Vidhan Sabha in India, they are also getting the same type of TV infrastructure.
We just saw the glorious journey of BASIL. BASIL's journey continues with its vision and mission. But what's the mission of BASIL?
The mission of our organization is to play a pivotal role in the growth and modernization of broadcasting in India through terrestrial cable and satellite broadcasting, both in India and abroad, and to achieve excellence.
From here, let's move ahead and have a look at the objectives of BASIL to understand the mission and vision which BASIL has undertaken.
BASIL is here with a purpose to serve and inspire to serve. The main objectives of BASIL are to enhance the present share in market by providing specialized and customized solutions to a wider range of clients, providing technical inputs and consultancy to Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, to explore new avenues in other allied areas like monitoring and surveillance, Explore the opportunities in overseas markets. Conduct market survey and product development. Establishment of satellite uplink and downlink systems for TV channels and also for distance education. Establishment and maintenance of operation of broadcasting centers. Constant endeavor to enhance customer satisfaction through services, training and placement of broadcast professionals.
BASIL's activities are not limited to India, but extends across the global limits. To stay a leader and to beat the competition, BASIL has well designed its business activities.
BASIL is a unique platform dedicated to the cause of broadcasting, and during these 20 years, it has performed admirably well, standing shoulder to shoulder with the government and with the broadcasters. With the government for the purpose of formulating their policy and rollout of the various schemes, and with the broadcasters in bringing up their project in a very transparent and efficient manner.
In this highly specialized sector, we strive for excellence as there is never-ending demand for expertise. It's here BASIL competes and excels while expanding their business activities and areas of specialization. We specialize in providing services to Ministry of Information and Broadcasting for broadcasting solutions, FM broadcasting, establishment of TV channels, installation of teleports, design of digital newsroom systems, direct-to-home system, conformity of wireline broadcasting networks to Indian standards, distance education systems through satellite, CCTV, surveillance and monitoring systems, setting up of community radio stations, acoustics, stage lighting, sound reinforcement system, training, upskilling in wireline networking, providing placement services to government organizations.
BASIL is a house of expertise having 5 major verticals. Just have a look. Since the year 1995, BASIL has been handling mega projects in the field of broadcasting like television and radio. Let's have a sneak peek into the highlights of various projects.
Year by year, BASIL has defined their targets well and achieved success even in much better fashion. In the current year, BASIL had a series of achievements to its credit. Project highlights: current year, establishment of 24/7 Rajya Sabha TV channel, augmentation of electronic media monitoring center, SITC of broadcast equipment at Bundelkhand University, Jhansi, maintenance of multimedia studio for Rashtrapati Bhavan, SITC of broadcast equipments at EMMRC Calicut and EMMRC Dibrugarh, establishment of HD TV studio set up at National School of Open Schooling, Noida, SITC of TV studio set up at Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, SITC of DTT Doordarshan antenna at 4 metro cities and 15 sites of Doordarshan. Supply, testing and handing over of broadcast equipment at IGNCA. Audit and certification of digital addressable systems. Social media communication hub. Variable Anechoic Chamber for Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. SITC of Multi-TV Channel Logger System with operation and maintenance at Information Department of Karnataka. Setting up of boardroom with audio and video facilities and allied technical facilities at GATE Department, IISC, Bangalore. Setting up of TV studio and auditorium and their technical and allied facilities at Tamil Virtual Academy, Anna University, Chennai.
We at BASIL ensure effective and efficient service to our stakeholders with compliance of all statutory laws, rules and regulations.
Major projects executed. Supply testing and commissioning as well as training for operation and maintenance of fully solid state DRM operational 1000 megawatt transmitters for AIR Rajkot and AIR Chinsura for external services. Supply, installation, testing and commissioning of 8-camera robotic setup in Rajya Sabha for RSTV. Supply, installation, testing and commissioning of broadcasting equipment and setting up of TV channel for Bangladesh Television, Dhaka. Supply of C-band satellite uplink project at Maldives National Broadcasting Corporation. Supply of 12 numbers of 5 kilowatt FM transmitters, 31 numbers of 6-bay and 31 numbers of 4-bay VHF FM antenna system and spares to All India Radio. Supply of broadcasting equipment to Lok Sabha. Acoustic treatment of Crawford Hall, University of Mysore. E-classrooms at Indian Institute of Management, Indore. Upgradation of TV studio at Jamia Millia Islamia. SITC of TV studio setup for Consortium of Educational Consultants, Electronic Media Monitoring Research Center, EMMRC, Hyderabad, Patiala, Indore, Jodhpur, Roorkee, Mysore and Chennai. Supply, erection, testing and commissioning of 3 sets of log periodic antenna for Secretariat.
In the last 20 years, we have gone a long way and the journey is still on. But before moving ahead, let's have a look at those wonderful years BASIL has completed.
The year-wise business turnover is as follows. The year-wise net worth is as follows.
I am very happy to say that BASIL has crossed 1000 crore of cumulative turnover during 20 years of its journey. BASIL has operated huge amount of this business with very small equity support of rupees 1 crore 36 lakhs released by ministry, and BASIL also paid dividend of rupees 8 crores 55 lakhs to the ministry, which was 6 times of its equity support released by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting.
The data itself speaks of the professionalism, dedication and devotion of the BASIL management team and their ever-growing client list. This is just a glimpse of the brand BASIL. Though this is not all about BASIL, we are also aware of our corporate and social responsibilities. We not only preach it but also practice it.
Understanding its corporate and social responsibilities, BASIL has funded and commissioned 2 community radio stations, one at Vivekananda School, Mysore, and other one at Prajapati Brahmakumari Institute, Mount Abu. In the current financial year, BASIL is funding 2 community radio stations and has also set target for imparting vocational and specialized training and scholarship to meritorious students belonging to SC, ST, OBC and physically challenged categories in field of broadcasting.
ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन का एक बहुत बड़ा महत्व है। मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग की ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण स्कीम है। ये ऐसा लाइसेंस है जो सिर्फ डिज़र्विंग कैंडिडेट्स को मिलता है और ना कोई पॉलिटिकल इंटरफेरेंस इसमें अलाउ है, ना ही किसी तरह का रिलीजियस प्रोग्राम इसमें आप चला सकते हैं। गवर्नमेंट एक कुछ ऐसा माध्यम देना चाहती थी कि जो 2 वे मीडियम हो, जिसमें कि सरकार अपनी ही बात सिर्फ लोगों तक ना पहुंचा सके बल्कि समुदाय के लोग भी अपनी बात सरकार तक पहुंचा सकें। इसका एक टैगलाइन जो गवर्नमेंट ने दिया है, वॉइस टू वॉइसलेस, मतलब उस आखिरी आदमी तक भी आवाज़ पहुँचे और वो आखिरी आदमी भी अपनी आवाज़ अपने लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सरकार तक पहुंचा सके। बेसिल अब तक मोर देन 70 कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन स्थापित कर चुका है और अभी भी कंटिन्यूसली जो है इस मूवमेंट को सपोर्ट करने में लगा हुआ है।
In the area of community radio technicians training, BASIL has partnered with SIMCA to bring out a very good training material for the community radio technicians. It is in the form of 9 volumes consisting of booklets for this, which has been very well received by the community radio technicians in the country.
At this stage, much has been told about BASIL and there is nothing much left to tell about BASIL. But this is the time to let you know about the commitment of the Board of Directors of BASIL.
I had the opportunity of being associated with BASIL in some way or other during this past 19 years. These 19 years which have gone by had been very eventful for BASIL. BASIL has been able to develop its expertise in the field of broadcasting that not only encompasses electronic engineering, telecommunication engineering and IT, but also many related field I wish best to come during the coming year for BASIL.
BASIL is a unique platform dedicated to the cause of broadcasting, and during these 20 years it has performed admirably well, standing shoulder to shoulder with the government and with the broadcasters, with the government for the purpose of formulating their policy and rollout of the various schemes, and with the broadcasters in bringing up their project in a very transparent and efficient manner. So I wish now BASIL a great success in doing and undertaking all the projects which will be coming up under the phase 3 of FM broadcasting.
In the last 20 years, BASIL has done great achievements in the country in the field of broadcasting, both in radio and television. In the coming years, BASIL is committed to provide customer satisfaction, on-time delivery of turnkey projects, and also diversify into the areas of manpower placement, training in technical areas of broadcasting, and also cable TV auditing, and third-party verification of media plan advertisements, and CCTV and surveillance project of Safe City. I wish BASIL team all success on completion of 20 years of excellence in the field of broadcasting.
Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited, shortly known as BASIL, is a central public sector undertaking in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The company was primarily found to give services in the consultancy as well as turnkey projects for various activities in the broadcasting sector, that is radio and television. The mission of the company is to provide modernized technology for all the clients who are approaching to BESIL in both these sectors. And the vision of the company is to provide a world-class consultancy service in terms of the technology, in terms of the services, and in terms of the operations. Now that the company has come up to 20 years of its existence, I wish the team the best of luck in further growth as well as a very bright future to take the technology forward. Wish you all the best for the team.
For more details, you may visit our website www.besil.com. Thanks and namaskar.